So, g'day people, have a look at this. Beautiful. It's a pity I'm as sick as a dog, or at least I was. So, that is something that you're gonna learn today. Sick as a dog. But first, let's admire my drinking water. This is the water that I drink. I made another video on this. The Yan Yean Reservoir. I like coming here, it's nice and peaceful. Not too many people. But if you're hearing my voice, I'm a bit sick. I got the flu, and then I gave it to other people. Beautiful, beautiful having the flu. It just feels so warm. You're so sick as a dog. So when we use the term sick as a dog, we're using it for someone who is very sick. So now I can go out. I'm not sick as a dog. I'm just sick in the head. Maybe I'll use that in another video. I'm going to teach you what that word is about. Well, not that word, phrase is about. So, where does sick as a dog come from? Gee, I don't know. Sometimes you get dogs, they just go crazy. They're pretty sick, man. But to be sick as a dog, I presume that when a dog gets sick, it just goes really tired. It just doesn't want to do anything. It just wants to sit there. Just wants you to leave it alone. So when you're sick as a dog, you just want to be left alone. You want to recover. You want to be able to enjoy life again. When you're sick as a dog, you're just not able to do that. You just feel like everything is ending. Everything is coming to an end. It just pains inside. You just have to get away from it all. So, do you want 20 cents? You can go get some lollies. Get 4 lollies for 20 cents. 20-cent coin. Beautiful. But, if you eat this, you're going to be sick as a dog. First of all, it's got copper, nickel. That can be toxic in this type of form anyway, in your body. But in an organic form, it should be alright. So, to be sick as a dog is when you're not feeling well, and it's when you wish you could get better. And quite obviously, you cannot do anything, you can't get out of bed. So, please, everyone gets sick of a dog. So, that is why you should enjoy your life. When you enjoy your life, you find that everything is awesome. So, to be sick as a dog is to be very sick. So don't be sick as a dog. Try and be as healthy as you can. Have an awesome English learning experience and just enjoy your day. Hooroo, people.